dear students. Today we will continue chapter number 8 of our English grammar book, Essentials of English Grammar and Composition. And the name of the chapter is Verbs Expressing the Past. In the first part of the chapter, we read about simple past tense, past continuous tense, and past perfect tense. So today we'll continue the chapter. Let us start learning about present perfect tense. So first of all, we will discuss the uses of present perfect tense. So what is the use of present perfect tense? Means where do we use present perfect tense? So this tense is used to express an action that has been completed recently. Means the action which is over just now, that is represented by using present perfect tense. Like he has just left, means he left only a little while ago. So here such actions are denoted by present perfect tense. This tense expresses an action which was completed in the past but whose effect can be felt at the time of speaking. Like I have taken my breakfast. So that action may not be necessarily completed recently, but whose result can be felt at the time of speaking, because the person or I am not hungry now, so the result can be felt at the time of speaking. So here in such cases also we express such action by using present perfect tense. Next, which form of the verb is used in present perfect tense? Here in present perfect tense we use has, have as helping verb, then plus verb's third form which is known as past participle also. And have is used with plural, has is used with singular. Like I have played, he has played. In negative we will write not after the helping verb, and in interrogative sentences we will bring the helping verb in the beginning, then subject, then past participle. And in WH family question word, first we will write down WH family word, then helping verb, then subject, then past participle form of the verb. Like why has he not played? So this is how we will frame sentences by using present perfect tense. Now the question may arise in your mind, what is the difference between simple past or present perfect tense? Because in simple past tense also we denote the actions which are completed, and in present perfect also such actions are denoted which are completed. So what is the difference between these two tenses? So the main difference is that the simple past tense expresses a completed action which is not connected with the present, but the present perfect tense expresses a complete action which is having connection with the present also. So here if the complete action is having connection with present, there we will use present perfect tense. If the completed action doesn't have any connection with present, there we will use simple present tense. Like I have met him yesterday. This is absolutely wrong sentence because yesterday denotes past time while have met is in present perfect tense. So this sentence can be written in two ways. Either you can write I have met him, means the action is completed and having connection with present, or you can write I met him yesterday by using simple past tense. So this is the correct use of writing a sentence while using simple past tense or present perfect tense. So you have to keep it remember, in simple past tense the a past action is denoted which is not linked with present, and in present perfect tense the present result of a past action can be observed. Now present perfect continuous tense. First of all we will discuss the Uses of present perfect continuous tense. As the continuous word is there, so we have to know that an action is continuing, but perfect word is given present perfect. Present perfect shows that action is completed, so it is a mixture of present perfect and continuous. So which actions are expressed? An action that began in past and has gone on till the time of speaking. Such actions are denoted by using present perfect continuous tense. Means an action was started in the past time, but it is still going on at the time of speaking. Such actions are expressed by using present perfect continuous tense, like Rashmi has been playing chess. So she maybe started playing before the person is speaking, but she is playing now also. So here we will use present perfect continuous tense. The next use is that we can use this tense to express an action that has just finished or that finished only a short time ago. Like Shushi has been talking to some friends, but now she is not talking, she is no longer talking to them. But still, such actions can be expressed by using present perfect continuous tense. Now, which form of the verb is used in perfect present perfect continuous? We use has, have, means either has or have. Has is used with singular and have is used with first person and plural. So here has, have plus been plus first form plus ing. I have been playing. She has been playing. In negative sentences, not will be used. I have not been playing. She has not been playing. Ing here is representing continuity of the action. Means action is going on at present also. And present perfect continuous tense is itself showing that action started in past and is going on at the time of speaking also. Now, what is the difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous? Because continuity is there in both the tenses, the main difference is that an action is going on at the present moment, but do not care how long it has been going on. In such a case, we use present continuous tense. But if we also want to take into consideration that the time for which it has been going on, we use the present perfect continuous tense. Means if we have to show the thing or we have to bring into light the thing that the action started in past and still continuing, to bring it forth we will use present perfect continuous tense. Like Umesh is sleeping, here at the present moment he is sleeping, but we don't have any thing to know that from which time he has been sleeping, but Umesh has been sleeping for half an hour. Here we are having the point to know that he went to sleep half an hour ago, means the action started in past and is going on at present also. So here we will use present perfect continuous tense. Now, past perfect continuous tense, it is just opposite to the present perfect continuous. The action is continuing, but both the actions were happening in the past. Like an action which began before a definite moment in the past had continued up to that moment and was still in progress at that moment or had very recently finished. Means both the actions are presenting in past. Like I was very tired when I met you. Met you, second form of the verb, means simple past tense. Because I had been mowing my lawn for 2 hours. So here that action was going on at that moment. That is being represented by using past perfect continuous tense. And now which form of the verb is used? Here we will use had plus been plus root form of the verb plus ing. I had been playing. She had been playing. So this is past perfect continuous tense. Now in perfect continuous tenses, either if the tense is present perfect continuous or past perfect continuous, in both kind of perfect continuous tenses we often use since or for. Now what is the difference between using since and for? Since is used with the point of time at which one action is started, and for is used for the period of time. Point of time and period of time. Point of time like 9 o'clock. So here we will use since. He has been working since 9 o'clock. So here we are having the definite point of time. But if we don't have point of time, we have period of time, then we will use for. Like I have been waiting for 2 hours. We are having a period of time. For denoting point of time, we will use since in perfect continuous tenses. For denoting period of time for which an action has been going on, we will use for in perfect continuous tenses. Now used to. Used to is also auxiliary verb which is used in a sentence as a helping verb. Positive statements, we used to go to the school by bus. So here used to is used in any sentence to show the past habit, and it is always used in simple past tense. In negative sentences we will add not. He used not to go for a morning walk. So here it is less common. More commonly we used to speak he never used to go for a morning walk. In place of not we will use never. So this is the use of auxiliary verb used to in simple past tense. Now used to use. Where do we use used to? Used to is used to means that something often happened in the past but doesn't happen now. Means it's your past habit, not the present habit. There is no present tense of used to. That's why it is only used in simple past tense. So today we have learned the uses of used to and uses of since, for and perfect continuous tenses. Thank you.